Features of village community. First feature, community consciousness. Second, role of neighborhood. 3, a joint family. 4, faith in religion. 5, simplicity. One, community consciousness. The village dwellers have a sense of unity. The relations between the village people are intimate. They personally known with each other. Their customs, conventions, and culture are common. They jointly take part in religious celebrations. Structurally and functionally, the village is a unit. Two, role of neighborhood. In a village, neighborhood is of great importance. There is not enough of individuality and speed in the life of the village to disable one from paying attention to his neighbor is sorrow and joys. In the village, people assist each other and thus they have closet neighborhood relations. Three, joint family. Though in the cities, the joint family system is breaking down, yet in the villages, it still retains its hold. The agricultural occupation requires the cooperation of all the family members. The men pluck the field, the women harvest the crops, and the children raise the cattle. Four, faith in religion. The people in the villages have deep faith in religion and divinities. Their main occupation is agriculture, which largely depends upon the vigors of nature. The farmer acquires an attitude of fear and towards natural forces and starts worshipping them. Five, simplicity. The village people lead a simple life. They are far away from the evils of modern civilization. They are a simple and plain people believing in God. They do not show pretensions. Their behavior is natural, not artificial. They live a peaceful life. They are free from mental conflict. They are sincere, hospitable, and hardworking. The level of morality is high. Social crimes are very rare. Their life is governed by norms. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.